back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making another Stumpy adventure drink, Blueberry Confusion. I don't quite remember this one very well. It's been quite some time since I've checked out this one. But let's just go ahead and get down into making this. What you'll need is some Island Punch Pucker, honey liqueur, blueberry schnapps, a bourbon whiskey of some sort. I'm choosing Knob Creek. That's what we built it around, was Knob Creek. And you'll also need a Sprite. It's a pretty simple recipe. Doesn't really take too much. Yeah. So this is a mix and drink. Anyways, let's go ahead and make this. You need 1 ounce of your Knob Creek. You can go a little higher if you want. I'm going for about 1 1/4 ounce roughly. 1 ounce of your blueberry schnapps. 1 ounce of your Island Punch Pucker. Like I said, don't remember how this one tasted. I really don't. And 1 ounce of your honey liqueur. Then we're going to go ahead and fill it up with Sprite. Pour our lemon lime soda to about there. And then we're going to mix it up. Probably should be shaken now I think about it, because that honey liqueur is pretty thick, but I don't know. It's probably fine. Let's go ahead and try it. I don't know why you think it was a blueberry confusion, but just tastes like blueberry Knob Creek, if Knob Creek came in blueberry. That's really what it tastes like. The honey sweetens it down a little bit, because I think Knob Creek is pretty strong on its, hold that thought. Let me just, it's fine, everything's fine. Take a little bit of a shot off of it. Yeah, it's pretty rough. Well, it's smooth to a certain degree. So with this, you can really taste the honey and the blueberry coming out and making the Knob Creek not sting as much, for one. And it's pretty fucking smooth. I don't really taste the Island Punch Pucker in it. Might be masked out because of the blueberry schnapps, but yeah, no, that's pretty good. Another Stumpy win for the book. Yeah, Knob Creek is, it feels rough, honestly, to me. It feels rough. But this kind of smooths it out and makes it seem like Knob Creek is not as strong as you would think it would be, even though it's 100 proof. Yeah, no, this is pretty good. I'd highly recommend you try it out if you got the ingredients for it. If you don't worry about it. You're probably not missing much anyways. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.